trash pandas may be the next big pets. It sounds dramatic, but it turns out that raccoons might be domesticating themselves, and it starts with the simplest thing that humans leave behind: trash. Wherever people go, we leave piles of food and rubbish. For wildlife, that is a steady source of high-calorie food, which can also be dangerous, so we should definitely be trying to clear up our mess. But accessing rubbish requires a particular temperament in an animal. You see, an animal has to be bold enough to explore human spaces, but calm enough not to panic at every car, light, and passing person. Scientists call that a reduced fight or flight response. And raccoons that have this response get more food, survive better, and have more babies. Over time, that means that cities might actually be selecting for tamer raccoons without anyone actually meaning to. A new study looked at nearly 20,000 raccoon photos from across the United States taken by community scientists. When researchers measured snout length in these pictures, they found that raccoons living in cities had snouts about 3.5% shorter than those living in rural areas, so the countryside. 3.5% is a very small difference, but it's exactly what scientists expect in the earlier stages of domestication, and they know this because of something called domestication syndrome. This is a pattern that's seen in lots of domestic animals like dogs and livestock, where tameness is linked to changes in appearance: shorter snouts, white patches of fur, and sometimes even floppy ears. And these come from their development. When a baby is developing, there are specialized embryonic cells that migrate through the body and help form things like facial bones, ear cartilage, and pigment cells. If their development is slightly changed, say because only the calmest animals are breeding, seemingly unrelated traits can actually change together, so you end up getting changes to the face. Raccoons aren't actually becoming pets, but they are responding to the environment that we've created. By watching these early shifts, the shorter snouts, a bit more tolerance to human presence, it offers a real-time window into how domestication might begin in the wild. Follow me for more stories like this.